I don't make enough to save. I don't make enough to budget. I don't make enough to get ahead. You've said this. Maybe you believe it, but it's a lie. And it's keeping you stuck. Here's the truth. People earning half your income are saving money right now. People earning double your income are completely broke. Income is not the problem. Visibility is. When you can't see where your money goes, every dollar feels accounted for. You look at your paycheck, you look at your bills, and it feels like there's nothing left. So you tell yourself you don't make enough because that's the only explanation that makes sense. But what if money is leaking out in places you've never looked? What if small expenses you forgot about are adding up to hundreds every month? What if you do have a surplus but it's invisible because you've never tracked it? The I don't make enough story is comfortable. It lets you off the hook. If you're not earning enough, then saving isn't your fault. Debt isn't your fault. Being broke isn't your fault. But that story is a trap, because as long as you believe it, you'll never look for the real problem. People get raises and stay broke. People double their income and still have nothing saved, because they never fixed the visibility problem. More money just means more invisible leaks. If this is opening your eyes right now, hit the like button, drop a comment telling me your income excuse, and subscribe so you don't miss the next video. The Finance Reset Toolkit shows you the truth about your money. You enter your real income, your real expenses, every subscription, every bill, every random cost. And suddenly you see it. The surplus you didn't know existed. The leaks you never noticed. The money that was there all along. Once you see the numbers, the I don't make enough lie falls apart. You realize you do have options. You do have room to save. You just couldn't see it before. People using this system found money they forgot they had. They stopped blaming their income and started directing their surplus. Everything changed once they could finally see. If you're ready to stop believing the lie, tap the link in the description and get the Finance Reset Toolkit. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. Results vary based on individual financial situations and consistency in applying the system.